Andy, my name is Srinivas. I have experience in almost 22 years of experience as a software developer and trainer. Both and in the last 22 years onwards, I work in different companies like TCS, Infosys, Mine also, different companies. Okay. Present I am a work as a Python developer. Clear? So this is myself, Andy. What about Abhishek? Abhishek, but what about you? You are from Abhishek. I have Abhishek. Aman Roy. You are from? Hello. Hi. Aman Roy. Kannaya. Kannaya Komineni.
Hello.
Mir. Okay. Hello.
Yes, Srinivas.
Yes. You are from? Abhishek. Hello. Right. Kannaya. Hi, Kannaya. You are from?
I am from Hyderabad, Srinivas.
Okay, right. Good. Kannaya. Right. Mirko, sir. Hello. Prakash.
Yes.
Hello. Srinivas, I am
Yes,
from
Prakash.
this is Prakash Patani. I am from Noida location.
Okay.
So
Your background qualification?
MCA 4 years experience.
Okay, very good. Right. Very good. Rahul Jain. Okay. Reena. Okay, good.
I'm from Nagpur.
Right. Okay, Reena. Okay. Suresh.
Hey, hi. I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, very good. Nice, Andy. Right, sir. So this is for Python demo. Okay. So now here today I will discuss what is Python, why it is so popular and powerful programming language nowadays. That is the main concept, Andy. Okay. Really? No. I am from Telugu background. I am both in English and Telugu also, but not in the arena. Okay. Right, and nice, Andy. So now the Python. Our first question: what is Python, Andy? The first one: what is Python? Okay. Point. What is Python? The second one: why it is so popular programming language? Why it is so popular and powerful programming language nowadays? The next one: what are the different features of Python? What are the different features? Different features of Python. And the next one: how to install Python? How to install Python in Windows operating system? In Windows operating system or Unix operating system, okay, or Linux operating system. So inbuilt Linux and Unix are both are inbuilt Python Linux operating system, or the Mac OS operating system, or Ubuntu operating system, and Maya operating system. In any operating system. But most of the we are using only for Windows operating system. So how to install Python in Windows operating system, in Windows OS, or in Linux OS, or Unix OS, or Mac OS, or Ubuntu, or Maya platform, and so on. There are different ways. So anyone, okay, what is Python? And anyone know what is Python? What is the main purpose of the Python in general? So Python, the first point, Python is a programming language. So it is a programming language. Python is a programming language. Sir, what is programming language? You have to write the programs only to solve the particular problem only. What is the main purpose of the programming language? To write the program, solve the. Okay, it is a programming language. Yes, it is a programming language to solve the problems. What are the different problems? Find the business problems or different applications. So internet applications, networking applications, AI applications, database applications. Okay, to store the data, file processing applications. There are the different applications are available. So here using to solve the problems. And you know what is problem? Problem means it is a program to solve the problems. Okay, now it is a programming language. there are the different programming languages. There are not only one programming language, so it is not a one particular programming language. Because the programming languages are basically three types. One is a high-level programming language. First one is a high-level programming language, or it is a low-level programming language, or assembly programming language. Three types of programming languages. Three types of programming language. Not only one language. The high-level programming language, or low-level programming language, or assembly language. Python is a high-level programming language. It is a high-level programming language. Sir, what is high-level programming language? High-level means here we can write a program in English-like language. English-like language. That is the main program of the point. High-level programming language. In high-level programming language, we can write a program completely for English-like language only. Only English-like language. English-like language means general language. That is the A to Z capital letters and A to Z small letters and so on. So it is an English-like language. What is low-level programming language? Here we can write the programs in only for zeros and ones only. Only we are using zeros and ones only. Only zeros and ones. What is assembly programming language? Here we can write the mnemonic codes only. Mnemonic codes, only codes. Here we can write the programming only for the codes. And that is the programming language. Python is a high-level programming language. It is used to solve the general purpose, not the particular purpose. And general purpose programming language. General purpose programming language. Sir, what is general purpose programming language? There are the different purposes. There are different programming languages are available. One programming language for C language is available. Already you know C is a programming language. Okay, C is a programming language. Okay, no doubt it is a programming language. C++ is a one programming language. C++ is also another programming language. Okay, it is also a programming language. Java is also a programming language. Okay, nice. And the PHP is also a programming language. PHP, it is a programming language. And the COBOL is a programming language. Fortran is a programming language. Pascal is a programming language. Lisp is a programming language. Prolog is a programming language. Pascal, Lisp, Prolog. These are the different programming languages are available. Scala is also a programming language. Yes, SQL is a programming language. It is mainly used for all the database applications. So Scala is one programming language. Swift is also one programming language. Swift and Apex is a programming language. There are the different programming languages are available. So which purpose they are using? So R is one programming language. This programming language, C language, is mainly used for which purpose? So it is mainly used to develop the embedded systems only. To develop embedded systems. Embedded system. The main purpose of the C language to develop the embedded systems. The main purpose of the C++ to develop the games. To develop the games. Then the main purpose of the Java to develop the web applications. To develop the web applications. The main purpose of the Java. And the PHP is also used to develop the web applications. So for the websites. Web applications means completely for websites. And the COBOL programming language is mainly used to develop the business applications. Business applications, not the scientific applications. And the Fortran programming language to develop the mathematical applications. Mathematical is also very important programming language to develop the completely for mathematical applications. The Pascal programming language to develop small applications, only small applications, simple applications, but not the large application. So Lisp programming language to develop the scientific application. Yes, that is also one of the programming language. So to develop the scientific application, scientific applications. Okay, scientific application, scientific applications. Okay, only one language is the .NET or C#. These programming languages are also used to develop the web applications, websites. Develop the web applications. Web applications. Okay, there are the different programming. Scala is also one programming purpose, and similarly, the Swift is to develop the completely to develop the okay, mainly to develop the iPhone applications, iPhone apps, and so Swift programming main purpose is iPhone apps. So it's also used to develop the business applications. Language is the Apex language used to develop the business applications. So the Apex business applications. Okay, and one more programming R language to develop the to develop the database application, data analysis application, data analysis. That means to draw the diagrams only. Draw the diagram, data analysis applications. So that's the main purpose. Purpose of the data analysis. These are the different programming language for different purpose. For Python, which purpose are using Python. So these are the only for C is completely only for embedded. So C++ for the games. So it is for the web applications. It's also web application. So for Python is used to develop the all these applications. Not only one purpose to develop the all these applications. So Python used for Python used for to develop the embedded system, to develop the embedded system, and using Python to develop the games, using Python to develop the web applications also, websites also, using Python to develop the web applications. Okay, using Python to develop the business applications. But you are not using the COBOL, you are using completely for the Python. Using Python to develop the mathematical applications, using Python to develop the small applications, using Python to develop the scientific applications, using Python to develop the web applications, already covered under web applications. So now these are the different. Using Python for iPhone application is not possible. It is only one. Using Python to develop the iPhone application is not possible because it is difficult in Python programming language. It is only for one disadvantage, not right. So using Python to develop the business applications also, to develop the data analysis application using Python. Python is used for different applications for different purposes. Now, one more advantage, sir. So remaining advantage Python is to develop the AI, artificial intelligence application, AI applications, and using Python to develop the machine learning application, to develop the machine learning application, using Python to develop the DL applications also, DL application. Also use to develop the deep learning application. DL means a deep learning. By using Python to develop the IoT application, Internet of Things, IoT, Internet of Things, and IoT, that is Internet of Things, IoT application, IoT apps. Okay, using Python to develop software, using Python develop software, to develop software and testing also, and testing also. These are the different advantages using Python, using Selenium to develop the Python softwares, and using for testing software. There is a testing used for Python. Sir, how it is possible only one Python programming language to solve all these applications? How it is possible? Only one thing is available in Python. Python supports the large number of modules, large number of inbuilt modules, large number of built-in modules. So Python supports a large number of built-in modules. Okay, if you want to develop the mathematical applications, so you can use the math module. If you want to develop the numerical applications, okay, application. If you want to develop the scientific applications, sci-fi application. If you want to develop the GUI applications, inter application. If you want to develop the, okay, for example, data analysis applications, pandas, and one for matplotlib. All these are the applications. Scikit-learn. These are the different modules and applications per module. So almost more than 1,50,000 inbuilt modules are available. 50,000. 1,50,000 inbuilt modules are available. Inbuilt modules are available. Each module contains like a number of inbuilt functions also. That's why Python is a more important and powerful applications. To develop the using Python, develop powerful applications. Clear, guys? Up to here? Okay. Okay. Next, sir, we can write one simple program. Well, we can write the same program in C language. For example, simple program. Okay, which one is better? If you want to develop the simple program, for example, the program is write a program to develop, okay, to find a sum of two numbers. To find the sum of two numbers. Write a program to find the sum of two numbers in C language. How to develop in C language? The same program. Same program to develop the C++. How to develop in C++. Same program how to develop in Java. Same program how to develop in Python, or how to develop in the .NET, how to develop in Chip, or how to develop in the COBOL, or how to develop in Pascal. There are the different programming language. Program is write a program to find the sum of two numbers. Write a program to find the sum of two numbers. Sir, how to write this program in C language? In C language, every program starts with dash include. Every program starts already C language. So as per your academic syllabus, so this C language is in either BTech first year or MC or MSc or BSc is also available in the first year. So now in C language, how to write the program include stdio.h. That means standard input output dot header file. That is the first statement. That is first line. Again, the next one is the main, is also a built-in function to begin. So here we can decide addition of the two numbers. For example, the A value equal to 9. Again, the B value equal to 5. To perform these two numbers, and C equal to A plus B. So these are problem solving A plus B to solve the addition of the two numbers. And using printf percentile D comma C, and end of this program, hash include stdio.h main begin A equal to 9, B equal to 5, C equal to A plus B, printf percentile D semicolon and end. So this is the program. Clear, guys? So here, what is A and what is B and what is C? A and B are called as a variables. But what is variables? I will explain tomorrow onwards. No problem. What is variable? A, B, C are called as a variables. To declare these variables as a type in C language. So that is the integer int A, B, C. Here hello guys. Hello guys, up to here, clear all of you? Hello? Hello?
Hello. Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah,
Hello.
clear.
Okay, now, okay, this is a program for C language, Andy. Okay, tomorrow onwards, okay, this is a program only for to stop the demo and today, Andy. Okay, tomorrow onwards, 9 o'clock starting. Hello guys. Tomorrow onwards, 9 o'clock class and end by up to 12 o'clock. Okay, this is for only for small demo, Andy. We'll explain the tomorrow onwards classes. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.